Welcome to the NutriAxis. My name is Wilson Raposo Olenik and I'm a structural engineer based in Southern California. This is officially my first video ever. I have been thinking a lot about this platform, the things that I wanted to share with you guys, the content I wanted to upload, and it's been probably years since I first came up with thought of this idea. And I'm naturally an overthinker. I like to have things all figured out, but there was a moment where I realized that I don't have to have everything figured out from day one, which is why I'm recording this video at the moment. I've gone through a lot of thinking about this platform. I have a lot of great ideas, in my opinion, and hopes for this platform. And ultimately, my overall goal is to be a resource for engineers and help them thrive in their career. A little bit about me: I am originally from the Dominican Republic. I moved here to the United States in 2011 with the hope of, seeking my American dream, where I started from scratch. By learning the language, English. I had no idea how to speak English. I probably knew a few words, how to say the word hello, how are you, with a little bit of an accent. And starting in 2011, I learned English. I took my first few college courses and I eventually transferred to Cornell University in 2014 to pursue a bachelor's degree in civil engineering with a concentration in structural engineering, for which I graduated in 2017. Upon graduation, I struggled finding a job. I graduated in May 2017 and I had no job lined up. I struggled for months finding a job, and I do not recommend this, but I did not apply to a single job until after graduation, which led me to work out of Starbucks for a few months, to pay the bills, and eventually, continue looking for jobs, applying to jobs, doing interviews, and I landed my first job in a New York City agency in October 2017, where I learned a lot about project management and city projects. In March 2018, I moved into structural engineering consulting with a firm in New York City, where I learned a lot about building design, non-building element design, project management, and pretty much going through the entire design process for different types of structures, small scale structures, large scale structures. And I recently moved to a software structural engineering company based in California last summer, and that leads me to a combined total experience of 3 years, 9 months in structural engineering experience. What is my motivation for this channel? Well, I want to help engineers to thrive in their engineering journeys through tutorials, design examples, personal and professional development content, and hopefully interviews of the future phases of engineering. I hope to invite all the people who are going through the engineering journeys, share their journey, ask them tips and tricks about things that they have gone through, and hopefully help you achieve the same things. I personally made my fair share of mistakes. I have gone through my own struggles and difficulties, which have led to a lot of lessons learned, and I want to help you hack your way through into your engineering journey. I don't have answers to everything. I am myself still learning. Like I said, I have less than 4 years of experience in the field, in the industry, so I'm still learning myself, figuring out things as I go through my engineering journey, adjusting to the things that I like, the things that I don't like, and I hope to share that with you guys in this platform. In fact, I'm not a licensed professional engineer as of yet. I took the 8-hour MCS PE exam in civil structures back in January 2020, which I passed, but because I did not meet the experience requirements for the New York State Board, which was my previous living state, I was not able to submit my application until my recent move to California, which requires the 2 additional tests in seismic and survey principles. I recently got approved for my application to take those exams, and I'm currently studying to take them in March 2022. At the same time, I'm also studying for the SE, Structural Engineering exam, which is a 16-hour NCES exam that I'm registered to take this April 2022. And I will be uploading content about my preparation, the things that I learned, the things that I struggle with, and hopefully provide insight into what it takes to prepare for those types of exams. Having said that, my content strategy will be focused in 3 main areas. The first area that I will be uploading content about is a section that I will call Structural Engineering Design Made Simple. This type of content will consist of structural engineering design examples of no more than 20 minutes, where I hope to be referencing the codes, talking about design philosophies, looking at real life examples to help you become better design engineers. This type of content will also include sketches and graphics to represent a real life perspective, as well as the failure modes that are being considered in each design example. And I will also create spreadsheets to share with you guys and videos on how to use them that may be a resource that you may need in your career, in your college project, pretty much anything where you need to perform a design task. The second type of content that I hope to be uploading to this platform is a career content. With this type of content, I hope to share videos of what it takes to be an engineer, what is a day like of an engineer, the different paths in structural or civil engineer, and I would say how to find mentors, how to excel in interviews, how to grow as an engineer, where to find resources. Additional content will include tips and tricks on what is the best software to use for structural engineering analysis and design, how to build your own spreadsheet, things to consider when building a design spreadsheet, and how to find resources on any topic that you are looking to learn about. I also hope to upload 5 to 10 minute videos where I interview all the engineers about the engineering journey and share some tips and advice on how to become a better engineer, how to excel at different things that we as engineers struggle as we go through our own journeys. This type of format, this type of content will be more entertaining, so I will not be as formal as that I will be with the first type of content, which is the structural engineering design made simple. So I will be a little bit more relaxed. I will be a little bit more, what's the word I want to use? It'll be a little bit less formal. I want to give a little more personality and understand that, not everything has to be taken too serious. I want to make sure that I am a good resource, and I have to understand that everybody has different ways of listening to content. So a different way of watching content. So this type of content, the career content, will be a little more relaxed, a little bit more personal, and hopefully still achieves the same goal of being a resource one way or the other. The third and final type of content that I hope to be uploading is the engineering lifestyle. And it's something that will basically be what it is to be an engineer. What is the life of an engineer? I will be doing commentary with things that I see, structures that I watch as I travel, let's say throughout the United States. Some guesses about how something was designed, some commentary on general engineering news and things that are relevant to the field. I see this as an opportunity to share my own struggles, share my own thoughts, and it's something that I am currently working on to be more vocal about the things that I, go through as an engineer, and hopefully get all the people's feedback, get all the people's input and your input. Hopefully in the commentary section, if I have a question like, oh, I am struggling with X, Y, Z, what do you guys think? This is how I approach a problem. I would like to hear from you as well to understand, maybe you went through that and I could learn something from you. And basically this type of content will be about any random topic that comes into my head, just to have a balance in the content that I upload to this channel. Having said that, I hope that you join me in this journey by subscribing to this channel. If you think this is the type of content that you might be looking forward to, the type of content that you would like to watch, please consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button, leave a comment below about the things that you care about, the things that you want to hear from, any type of design examples that you want to learn about. Just let me know. Any feedback, any words of encouragement, I'll take it all. I'm really excited about this project, and I hope that you find value in this platform. I cannot finish this video without encouraging I always struggle with this word. Encouraging you to follow our Instagram page, The Neutral Axis blog. It's listed right down below on Instagram, as well as check our website, theneutralaxis.com, for any additional content that I will be uploading in our website and our Instagram page. Just make sure that you check them out. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. Again, my name is Wilson Raposo Olinek, and this is The Neutral Axis. Until the next time.